Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one BLK design project in React.js, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you're enjoying my previous project of React.js. So let's start. Now here you can see we have just built this BLK design system project in React.js. You can see how good looking is that project. Here first of all we are having the heading like that, and we are also having our social media icons. Then after that we are having one get started hover effect, like it is not a button, you can say that, but we are having the paragraph like that. And if I just press that, you can see we are having all the things like documentation, register page, landing page and profile page. And we are also having like upgrade to pro, and you can download that by pressing this download button. And here in the back you can also see we are having some of the patterns like that. And if I just scroll down, you can see we are having the nav bar, you can see that in the above. So this is with the help of React.js we have just done that, and how good looking is that, you can see. So if I just scroll down, you can see everything's just coming like that, basic elements, buttons and everything, you can just use that. And then in that I'll be having like inputs like that, and then menu, navigation bar, then the transparent things. And we are also having the navigation tabs, you can see that where I'm just pressing, so it is just taken to that. And how good looking is that, we are having our all the things like notifications also, then typography, then all the things like that. And we are also having images, you can see that. And the images, circle image, raised state, circle raised, you can just take that. And we are also having with JavaScript components, model, launch model mini and launch model form. And then in the last you can see that we are having these things like codes, bootstrap codes like that I have written randomly. And you can also see we are also having some of the things like view landing page and profile page. And you can also download this if you want. Then in the last we are having thank you for supporting us, and let's get in touch of any of these platforms. Then we are also having social media icon, which is having a beautiful hover effect. It is just opening and it is popping up, you can see that in the front of his screen. And how good looking is that. Then we are also having in the last these all things, follow us on and like that. So we will be just building that with React.js. So for building that you have to open your text editor, which is called Visual Studio Code. So I'll be just opening that. And here like previously we have also do like we have just made these all files, so we have to just make some of the React app and folder, so it will be automatically generate these or file which I am having like previously I have also telling you. Because here you have to don't make any of the files like that, it will be automatically generated when you will be just generating your React app. So go to new terminal. So now here I will be writing like npx create, then I'll be writing dash react dash app. So I'll be writing react dash app. So like I've told you previously also, because this is a command for creating a React app, so I'll be writing npx create react app. So now you don't have to write npm, so because npm is a command to run it in localhost or in default browser which you are working with, and npx is a command for making your React tab or folder which you are building. So I'll be writing that. Then in the front of that I'll be writing my project name, which is called like blk dash design dash system, and after that I'll be writing dash react. So when you will be done that, you have to press enter and your project will be created. So here you have to also select your location like I've shown you. So just come and like I've selected B, and then write npx create. So I'll be writing npx create dash react dash app. Then after that you have to write blk dot design. So write design dot system. Now when you've done that, you have to just write after that like dash, then write react. So when you've done that, you have to press enter and it will be automatically generate this folder like you want, like I've told you previously also. Then I'll be just closing this terminal because now I don't need. So when you will be creating that, you will be having the files like I am having, and you will be having these all things also. So here you have to first of all open this ss folder. So we will be working with this css file, so I'll be working with later on, but I will be just first of all need my js file in which I will be writing my code. So just open your file which is called charts.js. So I'll be just opening this file. Then I will be going to last and create a, like I'll be first of all zoom in. Then I will be creating RFC. Press enter and you can see the RFC has been generated. Now I'll be just coming in this div and I'll be making a class name, because with this class name I will be just also styling that in this CSS by this css folder which we are having, you can see that. So we'll be writing all the css in that. So first of all you have to make your class name, which will be just call as charts. So I'll be writing that. Then I'll be coming underneath and creating a h1. We will be given the name of chart, so I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that, I will be coming underneath again and creating a like the name of design. So I'll be writing design. Now here we have done that. I will be coming underneath again and creating a console.log, and in that I'll be writing charts and write this sign, then come underneath and create a console.log tag, and then in that I will be writing like design. So I'll be writing design. Now when you've done that, I will be coming underneath again and I'll be just erasing this now. So here we have done that. I will be just coming underneath now again, and in that I will be writing another thing which is called like chart. So first of all I'll be just erasing, and then I'll be writing that console.log, and then I will be writing another thing which is called charts, like that. So here you can see we have done that. Now I'll be writing console.log. In that I will be writing like design. So I'll be writing that. So now when you've done that, I'll be writing this sign, closing sign. Now here we have done that. I'll be hitting save, and now here you have to do nothing, just you have to wait. So here it will be just generated. So here you have to go to your CSS file. So first of all I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be just selecting this. So just select this, and here I will be doing like I'll be copying this. So now here when you've done that all things, I'll be just doing like I'll be just hitting save. Then you have to go to your CSS file. Now go to that, and here you have to go to the last line which we are just make. So just go to the last one. Then I will be creating some of the text. So just come underneath and create this tag. Then after that I'll be creating margin, I want of 0 pixel. Then the padding I will be also want of 0 pixel, and I'll be writing a box sizing which should be border box. So I'll be just erasing that. Then I'll be writing border box. Now here when you've done that, I will be coming underneath and creating a tag which is called justify content. So I'll be writing justify content in center. Then I'll be creating align item should be in center, and then I will be just coming that, and I'll be writing it that in center. Now here when you generate that, you have to come underneath again and create a display which should be of block, and I'll be also creating a float into left, and I will be also generating another thing which is called like text align which should be in center. And now when you've defined these all things, I will be just coming underneath again and creating a tag which is called like just I will be coming and creating text justify. So the text justify I'll be needing of inherit. Then I'll be just coming underneath and creating another tag which is called like just I'll be coming and I'll be raising. So now here you can see we have done these all things. Now I'll be just coming and creating a font style. So just take that and erase that. Now I'll be writing font style which should be like normal. Then come underneath again and create a tag which is called font size. Now we will be having of 15 pixel. Then I will be also needing a font weight. I will be having of 600. Then the font family I will be also needing of like Mont Serif. So you can see we have done that. Now I'll be writing comma sans serif. So just write that. Now here when you've written these all things, I will be just coming underneath again and creating a border. We will be having of like one pixel solid. So just come and write that solid white. Then I will be just coming and creating border color which will be white. Then just I will be coming and creating a color which will be of black. So now when you've done that, I will be just coming again and I'll be creating border radius of 10 pixel. Then I'll be just coming and creating a border bottom we will be having of 100 pixel, and border right we will be also having of like 100 pixels. So I'll be writing that. Then I'll be also having border left. So I'll be writing border left. So just write border left also which will be 100 pixel. Then I will be just coming underneath again and creating a border, but now I will be create the border width. So the border width I will be wanting of 100 pixel. Then I will be also want of like border line height now. So the line height I will be needing of 100 pixels. So now you can see we have defined that. I'll be writing width now which should be 100 pixel. Then I will be also want of height which should be 100 pixel. So when you've done that, I will be coming underneath again and creating another tag which is called border now. So I'll be now writing border should be none. Then I'll be also writing outline should be none. Then I'll be also creating another tag which is called list style which should be none. Then I'll be also writing list style type. So I'll be writing it none. Now you can see we have defined that. I'll be just coming and creating background of white. Then the background color which should be also white. So I'll be writing background color which will also be white. Now here when you've done that, I will be coming and creating background position in center. So now here we have done that all. I will be coming and creating a background position X. It should also be in center. Now here when you've done that, I will be just coming and creating background position dash Y. So I'll be just writing background position dash Y which should be in center. So just write background position dash Y which should be in center. Now when you've done that, I will be coming underneath and creating a background attachment which should be fixed. Then create a background size. So I'll be writing background size which should be cover. Then I will be also creating background, but now I will be creating background repeat which should be repeat. So now here we have done that all. Now when you've done that, you have to hit save, and here you have to do nothing, like you have to just select that. So I'll be just select this which we have just written. Then I'll be just copy that, and now here you have to do one thing, like you have to just go to the top, and again I'll be hitting save, and here you have to just go to CSS file. So we have done that. So now here when you define these all things, just you have to go this file in the src. Okay, so now it is working. So now I will be just going to my Opera browser, and you can see your the BLK design system React project is ready. You can see how good looking is that. We are having the heading like that, and we are also having the our social media icons after that, then the get started button, then upgrade to pro, and the download button after that. And you can also see we are having the heading and the paragraph related to that underneath this, and we are also having the pattern at the back. And if I just scroll down, you can see our navbar is also changing into color of like blue. You can see that, and how good looking is that. Then the basic element buttons, then you can also pick your style if you want like that. So you can see, and we are also having inputs, like if you press default, so you will be just taken to in primary and like that all. And it will be also taken to the menu bar, then the navigation, transparent navigation tabs. If I show you by pressing, you can see it is also working. And you can see how good looking is these all things which we are just working with. And the progress bar and the pagination and everything related to that is coming, notifications. And we are also having the typography and everything, like we are also having our JavaScript images and JavaScript components. And we are also having like bootstrap codes, and we are having nucleo icons. And we are also having our beautiful black design completed with example. Then the page of that, you can just register that by writing full name, email, password, then press this checkbox and press get started. So it will be working that. You can see we are having the beautiful hover effect of box shadow. We are having that box shadow we are having when I'm just hovering on that. And if I scroll down, you can see we are also having our landing page and profile page. You can just do that. And then in the last, we are having like, do you love this bootstrap for React design system? And then we are also having our thank you for supporting us, let's get in touch on any of these platforms. Then these all things, like this slider, tweet, share, and star on GitHub. So we are also having these all things like that. So like that, you can build your own BLK design system React project in React.js. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you're enjoying my previous project of React.js. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of React.js also, like you're of Python, HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So I'll be just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.